What's up, guys? Today's just kind of a quick video. Sorry we haven't posted anything in a while. I've been sick, and then we've both been busy with work, so thought we'd make a quick video. We went to Target tonight, and we got these guys. Superhero blind bag. Yeah. It is over $25 worth of toys and collectibles for $9.99. Wow. Cool collectibles and toys secretly packed inside.
Press the button.
Excuse me. Superhero blind bag packed with over $25 worth of toys and collectibles for $9.99. Super low price. But yeah, I'm gonna open these up and see what we get. I think what we should do is open it up, like don't look, just pull it out.
Okay.
All right. You wanna go first?
We do the same time.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Don't pop.
I can't find how to open it. I don't think I opened it right.
I didn't either. There's like another notch right there. You get it? If not, I gotta.
Oh wait.
Mine is open, so I'm just gonna. You need to cut it. Did you look?
Scared. No.
Oh.
I don't know what I'm touching, so scary.
All right, here we go.
Oh wow. Is it like a pin? I don't know what that is.
EFX collectibles.
But I don't know like what's in there.
I'm not too sure. It is a loot crate exclusive.
And then on the back is the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. thingy.
I've actually never seen that show. We got a new ring light as well too, so hopefully that helps out a little bit.
I'm gonna like open this up to see
Yeah.
what exactly is in there.
Want a knife? No, okay. All right, I'm gonna pull out mine.
Another lanyard?
Includes collectible stickers of the Deadpool lanyard.
So here's my thing, and it comes with this like card.
Oh, that's actually really cool. Yeah. The light's like reflecting off of it, but if you guys seen the show, you know what this is. Let us know down below.
It comes with that in the inside.
Yeah, that's a guy from King of Queens.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just a key card from the show or something like that.
Yeah.
That's actually really cool though. Alright. Deadpool lanyard from mine. And like we said, and like it says all over the packet, is they're $9.99, so they're not like too expensive. Little Deadpool kind of like rubber piece. And a collectible sticker inside. This is from Viral World. I don't know. Oh, okay, that's the sticker right there, little Deadpool face. So cool. I like it.
Good like lanyards to wear for like the park store.
Oh yeah. How much do you think this would go for at the at the parks?
$20 or something.
Yeah, you think?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
15 at least.
Yeah, like 12 to 15 maybe. Or wear it. I think we both got the same thing.
Yep.
Yeah, I got the same thing. I don't.
I think it's a wallet.
Oh wow, yeah, it's a
It's really weird.
paper wallet. Yeah, it smells.
Fake money.
Oh wow, they're paying us back. Mighty wallet, mighty thin, mighty strong, mighty green.
Wait, it says use code LUDER for $5 off. Of what?
Orders 30 or more.
I guess that mighty wallet.
Oh,
Can't see it.
at dynomighty.com. Use code LOOTER for $5 off. There you guys go. So if you want to go to that website and use that code, it's orders of $30 or more, you get $5 off. So yeah, go ahead and use that code LOOTER, LOOTER. And no, this video is not sponsored. So. It's actually pretty cool. I was just saying I need a new wallet too. But I don't think I will use this as a real wallet. That's cool though. Thank you.
I hope we don't have a lot of the same stuff.
We probably do, but I don't know. Ready?
I know what this is. This is socks.
I have socks too.
You want to pull out socks
Yeah.
at the same time?
1, 2, 3. Different one.
You already have this one.
Yeah, so I did buy one of these packs before I opened them just randomly, without shooting the video. But Joker socks. It's actually really cool. I have actually wore these. They are comfortable. Gloria doesn't like stuff like this, like scary stuff. So
No, I don't like
you'll probably get. Oh, I kind of want these socks.
You have them now.
Oh, you don't want them?
I don't
sure?
wear long socks like that.
Oh, okay. These are good work socks.
Yeah.
Deadpool socks has Taco, his swords, his katanas, yeah,
Oh, I don't know.
katanas, and then his face. So that's cool.
What about tacos?
Huh?
What about tacos?
Yeah, I said tacos.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. So definitely wear these for work. Crew socks. One more thing.
We have 2 more. This is a pin.
Alright, mine's a pin too.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Deadpool! I have this pin already
And now
as
we
well
have 3.
from the other one, yeah. Yes, we have 3 of these, so maybe a giveaway.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might do a giveaway for this. If this video gets how many likes? We have a small channel. Oh, so by the way, we're at 120 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. We really do appreciate it. Like, it's been a journey. It's been fun. It's been great. It's been almost a year since we started, and we love it so far. We love you guys, so thank you for all the support. So, that being said, I think we'll do our first giveaway.
We could probably do like the socks, these.
Yeah, we'll do the socks, this, and maybe one of the wallets.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we have 2 of those. So yeah, cool. So how many likes?
100.
Let's do 100 likes. If this video gets 100 likes, we will do our first giveaway.
Should we change it to 50?
Huh?
We change it to 50. I have another thing in here.
You?
I have 2. No, one more thing. You don't have anything else?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Bag's empty.
Okay, well here's mine. Oh, it's I think this is for that.
Oh, okay.
Card.
Yeah, this is for the card.
The
Okay,
shield.
yeah. Is that all? Okay, cool. Yeah. Cool. So, get this laid out, and yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys. So, kind of close up. This is mine. Start with mine. So, this is the Deadpool lanyard with the sticker. Deadpool socks. Deadpool pin. This is going to be the pin that's going to be given away. And this is going to be the wallet that's going to be given away. Want to go over your box? No. Okay. Other wallet. So this is one we're going to give away because it's not unwrapped. Deadpool pin. This lanyard. And key card. I wonder like if you can scan that with like a barcode or something like that. See what it is. And then these Joker socks. Actually, let me stretch these out.
So if we get 50 likes on this video, we're gonna do the giveaway, and it is gonna be US only. So the giveaway is gonna, well, it's gonna be US only for right now. We will eventually do giveaways for international and everybody. But the giveaway includes the Joker socks, the Batman vs Superman wallet, and the Deadpool pin, which we will show you like in depth of all the stuff close up. So to enter that, you just have to subscribe to this channel, follow both of us on Instagram, and David on his Instagram. They're both going to be linked below. He's going to have a post of the items. So all you have to do is type out the secret phrase, which is hashtag Batman is better than Superman. He came up with it. Yeah. So do that.
Batman's better than Superman.
If you want the stuff.
Yeah. Again, subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe, follow both of us. Instagram, they'll be linked below. And then just go to the post on his Instagram and comment that phrase.
Yep. Cool.
You don't have to agree with it, but comment.
Yeah, just to show that, you came from David's Vlogs. And shout out to
my cousin.
Yeah. He actually made that for us, which is really amazing. Got it for Christmas. Finally got a chance to put it up. I love it. We love it. So thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
It was
fun.
It was actually really fun. These things are. I'm really impressed with the wallet. I keep like messing with it. I tried ripping it. I can't.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me try.
No, I actually heard like a little. So I was like, nope, never mind. No. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And then again, I'll link all of this stuff down below, how to enter and all that, and then kind of go from there. Again, thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.